How to check Instagram last seen if hidden. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So in order to check some other people's last seen, you will have to make your activity status online. And also the other person's activity status should also be on. So to do so, simply go to your profile icon from your bottom right corner, then tap on the menu bar. After that, go to message and story replies. Then you will see an option of who can see that you are online. And then go to see show activity status and then turn it on. After that, go to show read receipts and then also turn that on as well. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.